The Court of Appeal has fixed February 28th and 29th next year to hear the prosecution's appeal against the High Court decision to acquit and discharge Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin of 4 counts of abuse of power involving 232.5 million ringgit in connection with the Jana Wibawa project. Deputy Public Prosecutor Datuk Wan Shaharuddin Wan Ladin and Muhyiddin's lawyer Chetan Jetwani confirmed this when contacted by Bernama. Meanwhile, Wan Shaharuddin said the Sessions Court had fixed November 29 to hear the prosecution's appeal to get an order to temporarily stay the proceedings of the other 3 charges of receiving proceeds from unlawful activities preferred against Muhyiddin pending disposal of its appeal at the Court of Appeal. On August 15 this year, High Court Judge Datuk Muhammad Jamil Hussain allowed Muhyiddin's application to strike out the 4 charges after he ruled that the charges were vague, flawed and unfounded. He subsequently acquitted and discharged the former Prime Minister. The prosecution then filed its notice of appeal on the same day. 76-year-old Muhyiddin was charged with using his position as the then Prime Minister and Bersatu President to obtain bribes from 3 companies, namely Bukhari Equity Sdn Bhd, Nepturis Sdn Bhd and Mamfor Sdn Bhd, and also from Datuk Azman Yusof for the party. In its application for a stay order, the prosecution said there was a strong public interest and compelling reasons to justify for the proceedings in the Sessions Court to be stayed. The prosecution said if the proceedings in the Sessions Court are allowed to proceed, its appeal would become nugatory and cannot be reversed if there were any interlocutory applications filed to set aside the other 3 charges, which were related to the 4 charges. The prosecution also contended that Muhyiddin would not be prejudiced if the Sessions Court maintained the status quo until the prosecution's appeal is decided by the Court of Appeal.